Hey folks, I'm HB, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is But I Was Cool. Let's check it out what that means. Pretty cool, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The title is from a Albert Collins song. It's called But I Was Cool. You have to check it out. It's really, Albert Collins has great lyrics. It's blues, but it's the same topic today. It's about don't show your emotions outside. Everybody thinks you're cool, relaxed, but inside it sounds like this. And here we learn how to express this and to release the inner tension which is created. Yeah. The lyrics of the Albert Collins song is, I always lived by a golden rule. Whatever happens, don't lose your cool. But we lose it in music, and I'm going to show you the licks I played, some tips how you get into the intensity and to, you know what I mean. Let's check it out. Okie dokie, let's get started. The track is played in D minor, so we're playing 3 different positions of the D minor pentatonics. First of all, position 3, this is this one, and just the lower part here, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Then we move up to position 4, which would be basically this one here, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8. So this, and of course position number 1 up here, which is 10, 13, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 13, 10, 13. So these are the 3 positions which are involved mostly when you play any kind of pentatonic soloing. So first lick I played before was this, and the variation of that. So let's check it out. It's played palm muted. By the way, the tabs of the licks and the backing track is in the new HPCrazy Students Club. The link is displayed in the description. It's going to be a cool thing for all students. Join there. It's really cool. So palm muted in 16 notes. So taka taka. This is the tempo of the song. Taka 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 taka. So see, palm muted, 3, 5, 3, 5, and here pinch harmonic. When you want to do a pinch harmonic here in the 3rd fret, there's a lot of extra noise here. That's because I'm on high gain distortion. Here, 3rd fret, just move your hand down like this, and with this part of the pick, you attack very hard on the precise position. You need to find the point. See, and then you stay. Now turn. And when you have the pinch harmonic, you make a slight bending. See? Through the movement, turning around, and then you also give the slight bending. So it's a 16 note with taka 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 dan. Second variation would be so the variation would be second time you attack here twice and really resolve it here in the 5th fret. So let's see how that sounds. Yep, sounds very cool. Good. A second lick which comes out of this would be this. you start here. This is a long meter run, a little kind of a long meter run, also palm muted. You start here 3 5 3 5 3 5, and also check out my fingering here 3 5 3 5 3 5 6 7 5 7, and here again pinch harmonic here in the sixth. Here again you make this bending. The more you get out of pitch, the more extreme it gets, the more you show how much you lost your cool. Also on the resolving note here, the D in the 7th fret, or again pinch harmonic. It's very cool. See? I switch on the delay now. Here comes the trick. I switch on the delay. Delay is a stereo delay set on the quarter note of the tune. If you want to show how much you lost your cool, make extreme pinch harmonic. You can make an easy, or you can make them extreme. See, the more you put into your vibrators, bending, stuff like that, the more intense it gets, and that's what we want. See? Now, going to the next lick would be this one. I love this one here. You make this run before, and then you make 13, 12, and you make the bending here on 12, double stop. And out of this you can release, pull off. So it's all they got. And here you're taking it. See, and these are sextones. And also you add a pinch harmonic, and here an extreme vibrator. Let's see how that sounds with the delay. If the double stop version is too hard for you, you can just make the bending here on the 12th without the double stop. You can do the same thing. Okay, now we have 3 licks, and they're already enough to show that you're cool but you're burning inside. So let's see how that works out. And as I said, I have the delay on, ping pong delay. You can add any kind of delay, but set on the quarter note of the tune. So let's get started. Alright, now you know what I mean, but I was cool, I play wild stuff, but you don't show anything like that. I don't care. I don't really care. Yeah, and the main trick, the solo which I did before just showed more or less these 3 licks which I showed, and then just sitting on those notes, which we added some pinch harmonics, and the more extreme you go into pinch harmonics, the more extreme you show the tension which you want to create. So, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's more or less the trick of. By the way, a lot of musicians are people who cannot really express their inner tension. They can do better by music. I'm also some of those guys. Everybody says, you're so relaxed, easygoing person. I say, I'm not. Serious not. Now the secret is revealed why I call myself HPCrazy. That's why I always Dr. Pink on my side, because Dr. Pink is the healing. Oh yeah, the chord which I played in the soloing was a D5, so you can add that one. And yeah, good. The tabs can be downloaded in the HPCrazy Students Club. Link is in the description, or you can Google it, whatever you want. You also find the backing track there. It's free. Join there. This is the new place for all students who want to interact more with me and other students. So go there. It's also my main portal of my artistic work. You find some other stuff there, but you also only can join the club there. It's up to you. And if you love what I'm doing, make a donation. You can make it there. You see the link displayed. Yeah. And follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Spotify. Also on Instagram, HPCrazy, and that's more or less what we wanted to say. Me and Dr. Pink, we are now totally relaxed. We're going to have a cappuccino. Yeah, that's what we wanted to say. But I was cool.